And welcome back to another big hiring update. This is going to be one of the biggest hiring update for 2024 batch and one of the biggest hiring update that is going to come this year. Okay, so after the TCS inquiry for priority colleges, so this is not for limited for any priority college or anything. This is for open to all. So Deloitte have now finally announced their off-campus hiring for 2024 batch, and this is going to be a very big mass hiring for 2024 batch. So if you are from 2024 batch, make sure to apply this, and if you are not even 2024 batch, make sure to share this with any person you know from 2024 batch, because they are getting very few hiring updates, or they are getting very few job opportunities. So make sure to share it with them. So we're going to discuss everything about this application, eligibility criteria, exam pattern, everything. But before moving on, if you are new to the channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button and join our telegram from the description box link. Also make sure to click on the bell icon after subscribing, because we post this type of hiring updates, exam pattern, onboarding updates, everything regularly. So let's check about the hiring. So Deloitte is hiring for engineering hiring. Okay, because this is engineering hiring, so all BE, BTech, ME, MTech candidates, MCA, CSIT candidates are eligible for this. So if you want to register for this, click on this register now, then you will be able to uh, register by giving your details and all. But before that, let's check what is the qualifications required if you are eligible for this or not. So the year of graduation should be 2024. So only 2024 batch graduates are eligible. Aggregate 60% or equivalent CGPA of 6.5 and above. Okay, so you have to have aggregate of 60%, or CGPA should be 6.5 or above. Okay, equivalent CGPA should be 6.5 or above, and marks should be aggregate 60%. Eligible degrees and branches, which branches and which degrees are eligible. So Bachelor of Technology and Engineering, so BE BTech candidates, computer science, allied computer science branches, information technology, and all circuit branches are eligible. For Master of Technology and Engineering branches, that is ME MTech, for 5 years integrated course also eligible. Also CS Allied Computer Science branch, Information Technology, these branches are eligible. MCA candidates, Master Computer Application. So for them, they are also eligible for this particular job. Note that you should not have applied for any consulting profile at Deloitte US India offices in last 6 months. So you should not have applied for any consulting profile in Deloitte in US or India in last 6 months. Okay. What the general expectation they are having from you? The candidates will be registered as an apprentice under the Apprenticeship Act through a tripartite agreement. The selected candidates will be on a 1 year probation from the joining date. Excellent analytical and communication skills, ability to chart one's career and build networks, ability to work both independently. So these are different things are there. Make sure to read them. I'll be giving you the link. Willingness to work in shifts, this will. Now let's check the recruiting process. So there are 5 stages. First one is registration. So start your journey with Deloitte by registering on the portal for NLA 3.0. Next is shortlisting. We will shortlist you based on your skill sets, academic achievements, and online assessment round. So there will be 3 rounds. First, they will shortlist you based on your academic achievements and skill sets. So you have to apply and give a resume. So your resume, make sure to build your resume good, and make sure to add much more skills. But do not add any skills that you don't have any idea about. If you have any skills, any project, if you know, make sure to add them in the resume, because there is going to be a bit shortlisting based on resume, but majority of the candidates are going to get online assessment link. Third round is online assessment. So if you are shortlisted, they will invite you for an online assessment, and there you have to showcase your aptitude and technical ability. An online interview will be there after online assessment. If you are clearing the assessment, then there will be interview. So who cleared the online assessment, they will move to interview round. The best version of yourself you have to be. Then after interview, you will get your final result. Okay, and you will be notified by them to get the results. So there is some resources. So do's and don'ts you can check from here. I will make a separate video for you based on the assessment anatomy, that is the exam pattern, exam details, and everything. I will be posting that within like 1 or 2 days. So make sure to keep checking that. Okay, I'll also try to post some updates and tips to clear it easily. And there is a link also given for how to create great resume. So before applying, just look at it once, update your resume a bit according to these tips, and then apply. And also do not delay, because we don't know, they have not mentioned any date when they are going to close this application. Okay, so go and click on this register now button and register. This is the registration form. Give your name, preferred name, full name, email, alternate number, gender, these things. Give your address, give your education details from here. Highest education you can add more, but at least you have to give your highest education. And there are other details, that if you have a gap in education or not. If you have gap, so one up to one academic year is I think eligible, that's why they have given. So you can have, if you have any standing backlog or not. They have not mentioned anything regarding standing backlog, so even if you have it, I think you are eligible for this. Okay, so do you have any other offer, they are asking these things as well. And work experience, if you have any, and these things you have to give, and you have to add a resume or CV and a profile photo, college ID card, these things. Okay, then just give the consent, agree, and then submit. So this is going to be how to apply for this. So this is the step by step process I have showed you, and I'll be posting regarding the exam pattern and details as well soon. If you have any query, you can comment down. And if you are from 2023 batch, make sure to share this with 2024 batch students.